In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to unlock a page in Canva. If you've ever tried to edit a page in your design and nothing would budge, it's likely the page was locked. Locking prevents accidental changes, which is great for protecting layouts, but when you're ready to make updates, you'll want to unlock it. I'll walk you through simple, reliable ways to do that so you can get back to editing smoothly. Start by opening Canva. You can use the desktop app or a web browser, either works the same for this task. Once Canva is open, go to your design. This could be anything you've already created or a template you're working on. Give it a moment to load so the interface displays all the page controls. In your design, click the page thumbnail you want to unlock. Thumbnails let you target a specific page, and selecting one ensures Canva shows you the right options. You'll usually see these thumbnails in a strip at the bottom of the editor. Click the one that's locked so it's clearly highlighted. With that page selected, look for a padlock icon in the top toolbar or in the floating toolbar that appears near the page. When a page is locked, the padlock appears closed. When it's unlocked, it appears open. Click the padlock to unlock. This immediately restores your ability to edit content on that page. If you don't see the icon at first, make sure the page itself, not just an element on it, is selected. The lock you want is tied to the page controls. You can also do this from the Pages area at the bottom. Click the page there to focus it, then right-click the thumbnail. In the menu that appears, select Unlock Page. This is especially handy if you're managing multiple pages and want to work quickly without switching your view. If you prefer keyboard shortcuts, you can unlock the selected page with Alt+Shift+L on Windows, or Option+Shift+L on a Mac. Shortcuts are a fast way to toggle the lock without hunting through menus. That's all there is to it. Thanks for watching.